Forget everything you've been told about invisible energies. Today, we are making the unseen seen. I'm going to show you the Schumann frequency in a way you can see with your own eyes. Are you ready to have your reality shattered? Let's pull back the curtain of existence together. I was tired about all these devices that try to generate the Schumann frequency. One have just a simple timer, any 555 included, that just creates a pure square wave with lots of overtones. You're looking for the sound of nature. You're filling your room with electrical noise. There are the other ones that come with a synthesizer inside. They seem to create a sine wave, but when we look closer on the oscilloscope, it's just small letters, just like stairs. This is not a sine wave. This is mathematically built. And then I said, okay, I have no other chance. I have to design and build my own Schumann frequency resonator. I finished it today, and we will come to the experiment. Just wait a little. Anyone can show a sine wave on an oscilloscope. That's just a dead line, a mathematical shadow. But have you ever seen the energy actually breathe? Have you ever seen it build up, reach its peak, and then dive into the depth? This is not a diagram. This is the real pulse of the Earth, like a pendulum swinging between poles. That's why we have the sine wave go up and down and up and so on. The positive half wave giving, the negative receiving. You're not looking at the shape of the wave. You're looking at its heart. And people spend thousands on lab generators that just turn strings of numbers into electricity. I use a resonator, not a generator, because nature doesn't calculate. It vibrates. My sine wave isn't computed. It's created. That's the difference between a photo of an apple and the apple itself. So now you have the details about your experience today. And I would say, let's start the resonator. And we start the sequence. So we're putting the power slowly in the resonator. It is building up. And now we get more voltage in the resonator. Let's make it even stronger. We're getting, and now we're nearly ready. Okay, now we are done. And now you can see this is the positive half wave. This is the negative half wave. They are breathing. It's going up and down and up and down and up, and we can see it. This is the energy coming and falling down and coming back. This is the movement of the energy, not just the geometry. And as we just have 7.83 Hertz, we can see it. Our eyes go nearly until 24, 25 pictures per second. This is what we have in the film industry. From 30 pictures and above, we can't see the picture. But here you can see the pulse going up and down and up and down. You see the positive wave, you see the negative wave. Isn't this fantastic? You can see the Schumann frequency breathe. This is the real movement of the energy. Now I ask you, have you ever seen this in your life? Comment below. Our Conscious Creators Lab makes things possible. And now, as I have my new resonator, we can make a lot of fantastic things with it. And I think I'll give you more insights what we can do with a resonator like this. And the good thing is, this is an analog device. There's nothing digital in it. It is the purest sine wave that we can create. What means it is natural, like our natural Schumann frequency. And this is completely different to all the other devices, which are just expensive, flashing paperweights. Do you agree? Write it in the comments. So thank you very much for watching. We started a new era today with the new Schumann Resonator. And I think I will call it the Matthias Lenardt Quantum Laser, Schumann Frequency 7.83 Hz edition. And I will show you what we can do with all the design included. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to know more, my archive is quite filling up with Schumann frequency videos. You find it in my archive. There's a playlist for it and all the other good stuff. Thank you so much. I will meet you there.